Hi, this is Tracy with DIY or Bust. Today's project is the Redwood deck. I'm pretty excited about it because this is new construction and this will be the first bit of finish work that I'm doing on this project. So far, the construction is mirroring the same approach I used for the office addition and the bedroom bathroom addition. So I'm not going to go over the same thing in this video. That would just be redundant and you'd probably be bored. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these to length because number one, they're not exactly the same length and I don't want the deck sticking out this far from the end of the framing. Then I'm gonna put some blocking in between. For people who don't know, like me, I didn't know what blocking was till I started researching some of these projects, and blocking keeps the boards from angling and also keeps the bounce out.